guys, today we are going to unbox Redmi 4 4GB 64GB variant. So let's begin. This is the box. As you can see, Redmi written here. Yeah. So it is 4GB 64GB variant and it is gold in color. So let's begin. Let's take it out. Yeah, as you can see, this is the handset. So let's take it out. Let's keep the handset aside. Well, these are a couple of manuals. Let's keep it aside and see what we get in the box. So this is the power adapter. It's normal adapter, 5V 2A. Let's keep it aside. Here is the SIM ejector tool. And the last, the USB cable. So we get no earphone. Let me give you the physical overview. On the front we get 5-inch screen followed by touch capacity buttons, a speaker, camera and a sensor. At back we get a fingerprint sensor, a 13-megapixel camera followed by a single tone LED flash and a Mi logo at the bottom. On the right hand side we get a power on off button and a volume rocker. While on the left we get the SIM tray. On the top we get a IR blaster and a headphone jack. And at the bottom we get a speaker followed by charging port and a primary microphone. Now let's test the camera. Here are some sample shots. This was a sample taken at outdoor with very low light condition, while this was a shot from indoor. The focusing of the camera is very good according to this price range. So hello guys, today we are going to test the video by this phone. So video will be recorded by its internal microphone. So let's test it. As you can see, I'm running and you can see the stabilization of the video. Well, autofocusing is very good. As you can see, my hand and the car, hand and the car. Now let's come back to device. The device seems very premium and smooth. At the very first boot, we can approx have 2.5 GB of RAM free, as you can see. So let's test the audio. As you can hear.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands.
So the audio test was nice. I think this device is best in this price range. So the time to wrap it up. This was a quick unboxing and little overview of Redmi 4. So if you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe us to support